Most people get this wrong when they see claims like, earn up to $700 per month from anywhere. They imagine stable income just by signing up and doing a few easy tasks. But here's the truth no one tells you. Up-to numbers are not guarantees. They represent best-case scenarios, not what most users actually experience. So in this video, we're breaking down Paidwork, how it really works, whether $700 per month is realistic, and who this platform is actually for. Let's get straight into it. Paidwork is a mobile and web-based earning platform that claims you can make money by completing simple online tasks. These tasks usually include watching ads, playing games, completing surveys, testing apps, or engaging with promotional offers. Now here's where it gets interesting. The platform is designed to be accessible from many countries, which is why it gets attention from users worldwide. Someone like Alex in India or John in the US can both sign up and start immediately, without special qualifications. That sounds great on the surface. But here's the problem. This is where most people misunderstand how earnings actually scale. Most tasks on Paidwork pay very small amounts individually. We're talking fractions of a dollar per action in many cases. So while the app is easy to use, the earning rate depends heavily on how much time you invest and what tasks are available in your region. Now let's talk about the big question everyone searches for. Can you really make $700 per month? The honest answer is that it is possible for some users, but not typical for most. To reach that level, you would need consistent high-volume task availability, strong paying offers, and significant daily time commitment. In many cases, users who report higher earnings are combining multiple task types, referrals, and high engagement offers. For example, Jake might spend 1 hour and earn a small amount just doing surveys. But another user spending several hours daily across multiple task categories could slowly build higher monthly earnings. Now here's something important most beginners miss. In a minute, I'll show you the biggest factor that determines whether Paidwork feels worth it or not. But first, let's talk about how the system actually behaves in real use. When you first join Paidwork, the experience feels smooth. There are often multiple tasks available, and you can start earning immediately. This early phase is designed to help you stay engaged and understand the platform. But after a while, availability can change. Some users may see fewer high-paying offers depending on region, time of day, or advertiser demand. This is normal for task-based platforms. Now let's talk about withdrawal. Paidwork typically allows users to cash out through various payment methods depending on country. This can include PayPal, gift cards, or other digital payment options. Many users report that withdrawals are possible once minimum thresholds are reached. However, reaching that threshold is where patience matters. Because earnings are small per task, cashing out takes time unless you are consistently active. So what's the real verdict? Paidwork is a legitimate microtask platform in the sense that users can earn and withdraw money. But the $700 per month claim should be understood as a maximum potential scenario, not a normal expectation. The realistic outcome for most users is supplemental income. Think small side earnings rather than full-time replacement income. Now let's make this simple. If you treat Paidwork like a casual side app, doing tasks in spare time, you may find it useful. If you expect fast, high monthly income with minimal effort, you will likely be disappointed. The biggest takeaway here is mindset. Platforms like this reward consistency and time, not shortcuts. The more selective and strategic you are with tasks, the better your results will be over time. So the final conclusion is clear. Yes, Paidwork can pay users. Yes, earning from anywhere is possible. But no, $700 per month is not a standard outcome for most people without significant effort and time investment. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest app reviews, and comment below what app you want me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.